Like me, you're fascinated by space, and particularly any new discoveries that we make. So when I heard about something called a luminous fast blue optical transient, or an LF-bot. LF-bots are among the brightest known visible light events in the universe, going up unexpectedly like a camera flash. Only a handful have been observed since their first discovery in 2018, in an event located about 200 million light years away. They've been detected on by several telescopes across the electromagnetic spectrum from X-rays to radio waves. And there was one that seemed to go against it's an outlier that goes against the characteristics of it, and it kind of began reaching peak brightness and fading again, and then reaching peak brightness again and then fading again, like a supernova being started and stopped and started and stopped over and over again for days. It was previously assumed that these gargantuan explosions were simply supernovas or gamma explosions. And while there is thought to be gamma energy at the source of these explosions, it is too, by the time they get there to read any of it, it's all dissipated essentially. It's all been expelled by the time they can actually get any readings. But they have theorized there is some latent gamma energy there. And all previous LF bots have been found in the spiral arms of galaxies, which Starbirth is ongoing, which leads to the main theory of the reasoning as to what these are, which I'll get to in a moment. A lot of this data is from the Zwicky Transient Facility, which is a very interesting thing that I found when researching this. It's an extremely wide-angle ground-based camera that scans the entire northern sky every 2 days, and it's like a alert system kind of. That's like kind of always watching like deep space, which is really cool. And there is also one, Gemini South in Chile, and again back to the theorized causes. The LF bots could be the result of a star being torn apart by an intermediate mass black hole between 100 and 1000 solar masses. Another plausible explanation could be the collision of two neutron stars traveling far outside their host galaxy, such collisions produce a kilonova explosion 1000 times more powerful than a standard nova. However, another speculative theory is that if one of the neutron stars is highly magnetized, or a magnetar, it could greatly amplify the power of the explosions even further, up to 100 times. However, this is still a pretty ongoing theory. But yeah, just something I found interesting. Thank you guys for watching.